Ever been driving, music blasting, and then bam, you're lost? It's the worst. Designing a course without a course map is just as bad. So buckle up, because in this video, we're your virtual GPS guiding you through course mapping. Transform your course from a hot mess to a streamlined journey to success. Let's start with the basics. What is a course map? It's the blueprint, the game plan, the roadmap to Knowledge Town. It maps out everything: modules, lessons, activities, and assessments. It keeps everything organized, so your students won't be lost in a sea of information. With a solid course map, you'll be the cool, organized teacher everyone wishes they had. Do you really need a course map? Can't you just wing it? Well, you try, but let's be real, you're not a bird. A course map keeps everything aligned. Every lesson, activity, and quiz connects to your learning objectives. It brings clarity and consistency, transforming chaos into a structured learning experience. It's like having a magic wand that keeps your course flowing smoothly. And finally, efficiency. A course map saves you time and energy so you can focus on teaching. All right, let's get down to business. Step 1. Identify your learning objectives. What do you want your students to learn? Step 2. Outline your modules. Divide your course into thematic chunks that align with your objectives. Step 3. Break it down. Each module needs its own set of lessons. Add interactive activities and assessments to keep those brains engaged. If it doesn't serve a learning objective, it's gotta go. Every piece of content, activity, and assignment needs to connect back to your learning objectives. Consistency is key. Each module should build on the previous one, creating a seamless learning journey. You've got your learning objectives, modules, and lessons. Now, how do you organize it all? Technology to the rescue. Mind mapping software lets you visually map out your course structure. Flowcharts plot the learner's journey from start to finish. Curriculum mapping templates help you stay organized and on track. The goal is a clear, concise, and easy-to-follow course map. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to course mapping. A course map is your secret weapon for creating an engaging, effective, and fun learning experience. Go forth and map your way to course creation success. Your students and your sanity will thank you. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge when it comes to mapping out a course? Have you found any tools, techniques, or strategies that really worked for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're building a community of instructional designers and educators here, and your insights might be just what someone else needs. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.